Today, compiler versus interpreter. Same goal, running your code, totally different way of getting there.
Okay, but aren't they basically the same thing? Both just take my code and run it, right?
A compiler reads your whole program up front and translates it into a standalone binary, like C with GCC. You run that binary separately later.
So interpreters skip that binary step entirely?
Right? No separate binary. Python reads one line, runs it immediately, then reads the next. It's execute as you read.
Okay, real example. If I have a typo on line 50 of a 100-line file, what happens differently between the two?
The compiler reads everything first, so if it catches that typo before the program ever runs, nothing executes at all.
Ouch! So the interpreter happily runs the first 49 lines, prints stuff, and only crashes when it actually hits line 50?
Exactly, and that's the core trade-off. Compiled code is checked up front and runs blazing fast. Interpreted code gives you instant feedback, but errors show up late.
So when would I actually reach for a compiled language over an interpreted one?
Pick a compiler when speed matters or you're shipping to users without your dev setup. Pick an interpreter for scripts and fast prototyping.
Before we wrap, what's the mistake people actually make mixing these up?
Biggest mistake. Thinking Python has no compiler at all. It actually compiles to bytecode first, then interprets that. If you remember nothing else, compiler translates everything before running. Interpreter does both at once, line by line.
Comment below, which one do you actually use more day to day, compiled or interpreted?
See you next time.